1, 2, 1, 2. We all know that LinkedIn is the #1 social network for professionals. It can also be a great social network to use to generate income as well. We did a video last year and just touched upon a few ways to make money, but in this video we thought we'd give you 30 ways to make LinkedIn work and how to make money from it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. Last time we talked about LinkedIn, we told you a lot about how to set it up properly and get more results. If you've not seen it, there's a link below in the description. Let's get on with this video. We see 7 distinct ways you can make money on LinkedIn. Obviously, the most well known is by getting a job through it. But what if you want to grow a business or even launch a business? Why should you consider using LinkedIn? Well, here are 6 other ways to make money on this site. Sell products, grow your mailing list, find advertisers, offer services, promote affiliate products, and increase book sales. And we'll show you how with 30 tips. So let's get going. Selling products. If you are marketing your own product, LinkedIn can be a great place to do it. Number 1, creating a free piece of content, training videos, white papers, reports and ebooks are an easy way to get potential customers into your sales funnel. 2, invite people to webinars. Webinars promising free, valuable education. Even if people know it's a sales pitch. Even though people know a sales pitch is coming at the end, they are easy to promote to your LinkedIn connections and groups. 3, offer LinkedIn only discounts. People love the idea of saving. Create a special offer code for your new product and share it with your LinkedIn connections and groups. 4, add your new product under the project section in LinkedIn profile. The project and publication section on your LinkedIn profile are the only ones that offer the ability to directly link to your website. 5, take advantage of the promotion section of groups you belong to, whose members would be ideal buyers of your product, of your info, of your product. Know of similar products that offer private networking group on LinkedIn for members. Find that LinkedIn group, and even if you can't join, you'll see a list of members that are in your network. Contact them and see if they are interested. In your product. 7, take advantage of the product section on your LinkedIn company page. Create an individual product listing on your company page and fully utilize features such as banners that visitors can click on to go onto your landing page. Variations that target specific types of customers. Variations that target specific type of customers, a YouTube commercial, or explainer video, and people to contact and learn from, and people to contact to learn more. 8, encourage people to write a recommendation for your product by adding the recommendation button to your product page. This will add social proof to your product when people discover them on your company page. Get involved in discussions within groups whose members are more likely to buy your product. Reply to posts publicly or reply privately when an answer could lead to a sale. If you are helpful to a member of the group, it won't even feel like a sales pitch. Grow your mailing list. By now we should all know that there is By now we should all know that there is money to be made in growing a list, whether you are selling your own products or services or marketing affiliate products. Here are some ways you can build your mailing list on LinkedIn. 10. Create a LinkedIn group around an interesting or relevant topic. You can email new group members using a custom welcome template when they join. Grow your mailing list by using welcome and announcement emails to promote free content giveaways, webinars, etc. and free content giveaways. You can get great leads. You can get your new leads onto your list then. If you can't convert people from your LinkedIn page to your mailing list, just remember to copy the most important email you send to your list each week, if applicable, and paste it into a weekly announcement email to your group. Add your free giveaway to a publication section to your LinkedIn profile. People will be able to click through directly to your squeeze page. This is a relatively new section and is not part of the typical lineup. You'll see it in the right sidebar under recommended for you when you go to your LinkedIn profile and click Edit button. 13. Don't be tempted to add your LinkedIn contacts to your mailing list. LinkedIn does not offer the option to export your contacts information, so you can't add them without consent to your mailing list. Find direct advertisers and sponsors. If you offer advertising on your website or sponsorship opportunities for company events, LinkedIn makes it easy to find potential candidates. 14. Keep an eye on advertisements in the LinkedIn sidebar, footer or other areas throughout the website. These same businesses may also be looking for advertisements on websites or willing to sponsor events for professional audiences. 15. Use LinkedIn search page to find potential advertisers and sponsors. You can narrow the results by industry, company size, location and other criteria. 16. Find the right people to contact on your company page by looking under employees on LinkedIn. If it's a small company, you can browse through to find the appropriate point of contact. Otherwise, you may want to invest in the premium account so you can use the advanced searches and filters. and email and in-mails. Use LinkedIn advertising. If you have some money to invest, you can use LinkedIn advertising to increase your income. Create an ad campaign to market free giveaways for your list. Use the targeted options to get different LinkedIn users' attention. 18. Create an ad campaign aimed at your target customer demographic for your product. Get them to sign up for free content that will convert them into buyers, or create a sense of urgency with a special offer on a limited timescale. 19. Create an ad campaign targeted towards the companies and people most likely to need your services. Include copy that tells the potential employee Include copy that tells the potential employer what the main benefits would be for them to hire you. Offer services. Freelance writers, social media consultants and other service providers can use LinkedIn to connect with companies who need them in the following ways. 20. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to be discovered by those wanting to hire you. Add your primary keyword, SEO consultant, freelance writer, graphic designer, etc. to your profile headline, current and past job titles and summary. Current and past job titles, summary, skills and other areas. This will increase the chance of someone discovering you in LinkedIn search results. 21. Add skills to your LinkedIn profile. This is how people give you quick endorsements and also have the chance of showing up on the LinkedIn skills page. 22. Take advantage of the services section on your LinkedIn company page. Create listings for each of your services and fully utilize all of the features such as banner images that link to your website, variations on the service descriptions that target specific types of customers, and video testimonials and people to contact to learn more. 23. Define your ideal customer and join the groups they would participate in. Also join groups for complementary services. And also join groups for complementary service providers. These are not your direct competition. These are not your direct competitors, but rather people who need your help from time to time. Promote affiliate marketing. If you use affiliate marketing to generate an income online and write great reviews, then here are some ways to promote these on LinkedIn to increase your affiliate sales. Share your affiliate marketing reviews on posts as answers to applicable questions within groups. If someone asks how to choose the right WordPress theme and you have a post comparing different premium themes with affiliate links, this is a great opportunity to share it. If the group doesn't allow links, reply to the group member privately. 25. If you have your own group, be sure to email them with new review posts on your blog and any special requests that they might be interested in, such as limited time offers, discount codes, and new product launches. Increase book sales. Do you have a Kindle book on Amazon or ebooks on your own website for sale? Here are some ways that you can use LinkedIn to boost those sales. 26. Let your contacts know when you publish a new book. You can send personalized messages to each of your contacts or send private messages to up to 50 contacts at a time. 27. Add books and ebooks to the publications section on your LinkedIn profile. You can include a link to books on Amazon or ebooks on your website so people can click through to purchase. 28. Create a video trailer for your book, and add that video to YouTube, then add it to your media element in your LinkedIn profile summary section. Write an awesome post on your blog. Write a great post on your blog about your book. Be sure to add the LinkedIn share button to that blog and then share it with your LinkedIn connections in a status update. If your post gets a lot of LinkedIn shares, let the LinkedIn business development team know so they have a chance of being used on the Featured on LinkedIn Today section. 30. Define your book's ideal audience and create an ad campaign towards LinkedIn users that match that definition. As you can see, there are tons of ways to make money using LinkedIn. If you have any other suggestions or strategies, please share them in the comments below.